Nail Talk Show.
Good day, everyone. I am your host, Hans Revenante, and welcome to our Nail Talk Show, where we delve into the world of nail health, addressing disorders and diseases. Did you know that your nails can tell you a lot about your health? It's critical to recognize the warning symptoms because they may indicate underlying health problems. A zinc shortage, for instance, may be indicated by white spots on your nails, but a fungal infection may be indicated by yellow nails. Journal splitting nails, also known as onychorexis, are a common problem. This disease is frequently brought on by repeatedly soaking and drying the nails, which makes them easily break. This problem can be controlled by keeping nails hydrated, shielded from harsh chemicals. Another typical occurrence is ingrown nails, which cause pain and swelling when the nail pushes into the surrounding tissue. This problem can be avoided by wearing shoes that fit properly and using proper nail care practices. It's also crucial to pay attention to any changes in the shape, color, and texture of your nails. If you notice any abnormalities, it's best to consult a professional. They can help diagnose and treat any potential nail disorders and diseases. Let's introduce our experts. First, Dr. Kyle Rivera is a dermatologist specializing in nail disorders, and Dr. Angel Martin is also a doctor specializing in nail disorders. Welcome both of you. Dr. Kyle, can you briefly explain what nail disorders are and why they're so important to pay attention to?
Thank you for having me. Nail disorders and cosmetic issues like discoloration or more serious conditions such as fungal infections or even early signs of systematic diseases. It's crucial to pay attention to nail changes as they can sometimes be indicators of underlying health issues.
I see. Next, Dr. Angel. What are some common nail disorders that people might not even notice until it's too late?
Like discoloration, age or change, improvements, nail fungal infections, for example, that includes where the systematic tissue that can worsen.
Now, let's welcome our guests. First, we have Germalyn Desales, who struggles with nail diseases. In her case, onycholisis. Dr. Angel, can you start by explaining what onycholisis is for our viewers?
Absolutely. Onycholisis is the separation of nail spray from the nail bed. Think of it as the nail peeling away from the skin. Underneath this separation, this one starts at the age of the nail. The part of the extent underneath and your progress toward appearance, not swallowing but entirely sleep and sometimes take the underlying.
So the nail plate separates from the nail bed. I see. That's quite scary. So onycholisis basically is a condition where the nail is caused by internal disorder or infection. Germalyn, can you describe what you've been experiencing?
Sure, I once seen this nail bed from the nail bed and with painful over time. More nails were after 3 months released.
You noticed that one of your toenails started to lift from the nail bed. It was painful. Oh, that's understandable.
That's a classic example of an allergy reaction causing onycholisis due to metal in nails pollution, artificial nail, and even some salt can trigger this. Crucial to identify and eliminate the allergy to help the nail.
What are some other treatment options, Dr. Angel?
It depends on the cause. The fungal infection and antifungal medication are essential. It is related to the physician judgment for the patient. May I help? In some cases, we might recommend the people for evidence of time removal of the affected nail insert by administering in some cases, we might recommend posterior or even surgical removals. The repeated nail insert takes but often supply addressing the underlying cause and keeping the nails clean and dry is sufficient.
I see. Do you have any tips for preventing onycholasis?
Avoid trauma to the nails. Use gloves when handling. Avoid trauma to the nails. Use gloves when handling surgical lifting, nail trim, and clean. And choose nail products that will give do not notice and finish one. Change. Don't hesitate to see other authorities and use as in treatment and
Excellent advice, Dr. Angel. Now, let's proceed to our last guest. We have Pincer Lombong, who has been experiencing nail disorders. In this case, hangnails. Dr. Kyle, could you explain what exactly causes hangnails and why can they be so painful?
Hangnails occur when the skin around the nail becomes damaged, often due to dryness or trauma. This can expose sensitive nerve endings in the skin, leading to pain and discomfort. And if bacteria enter through the tear, it can lead to infection.
Infection. What are some preventive measures people can take to avoid getting hangnails in the first place? Dr. Angel?
Preventative measure include cleaning your hands when moisturized, avoiding harsh soap that can dry out the skin, and being mindful when growing your nails using
And sometimes I find myself picking at them. I try to keep my hands moisturized, especially my washing. I use cuticle oil regularly. It is helped to a lot.
Excellent advice. So moisturizing is the key. Take note, cuticle oil. Doctors, can you give our viewers a tip about demonstration, their proper nail care techniques, prevention, and when to consult a doctor?
Sure. Nail care is crucial for overall health, indicating good nutrition and hygiene, and preventing infections, ingrown nails, and other complications.
How do we start?
We start by washing our hands with soap and water to remove dirt and bacteria. Use a soft brush to clean unbended nails gently.
But don't we need to trim them first? How do you trim them?
Use sharp nail clippers to trim your nails straight across, avoiding round edges as this can lead to ingrown nails.
And what about after trimming?
After trimming, we use a nail file to smooth out any rough edges. File in one direction rather than back and forth to prevent slipping.
Oh, and this is where the moisturizer comes in. How do you use that?
Yes, apply moisturizer or cuticle oil regularly to keep the skin around the nails hydrated. This helps prevent hangnails and dryness.
Cuticle oil is for cuticles, I assume. So how do you take care of your cuticles?
And push back the cuticles gently with a cuticle stick after soaking your fingers in warm water. Avoid cutting cuticles as this can lead to infections.
Let's see, Dr. Angel, do you have any practical tips for prevention?
avoid biting nails. Nails biting can damage the nail skin and lead to infection.
Speaking of biting, that's connected to eating, right? So what should you do? Or rather, what should you eat?
Maintain a healthy diet and balanced diet, rich in vitamins, especially minerals and hydrated. Drink plenty of water daily to keep your body hydrated, which also benefits men.
See, those are some nice practical tips. Though if all of these fail, when should you consult a doctor?
Notice any of the following signs. This may involve changes in color, nail thinning, pain, separation of the nail bed, persistent hangnails or bleeding. These symptoms could indicate fungal infections, psoriasis, or other medical conditions requiring professional evaluation.
I see. So you really need to properly take care of your nails, huh? What are the benefits of the techniques?
Can enhance appearance, health, and prevent potential issues, making it crucial for long-term well-being and proactive operational care.
I see. Thank you, doctors. Thank you, concern. Nail Talk Show. We discussed nail health, highlighting the importance of recognizing warning symptoms that may indicate underlying health problems. Shermalyn is a guest who has experienced onycholasis, which is the separation of the nail plate from the nail bed. Really painful stuff. She went to see a dermatologist and was prescribed a topical antifungal cream. After stopping using the nail polish, the onycholasis gradually improved. have Finster, who has been experiencing hangnails, which is a nail disorder caused by damaging skin around the nail, often due to dryness. They can cause pain and discomfort, and if the tear is not treated, bacteria may enter it. Preventive measures include keeping hands well moisturized, avoiding harsh soaps, and being mindful when grooming. Nails using proper tools. If hangnails occur, it should be carefully trimmed with sanitized nail clippers and an antiseptic ointment applied afterward. To prevent hangnails, clean hands. Gently trim nails straight across. File rough edges, apply moisturizer, and gently push back cuticles after soaking fingers in warm water. Our show also discusses practical tips for prevention, including avoiding biting nails, maintaining a healthy diet, rich in vitamins, minerals, and proteins, and staying hydrated. Consult a doctor if symptoms like changing in color, nail spinning, pain, separation from the nail bed, persistent hangnails, or bleeding that may indicate fungal infections and other medical conditions requiring professional evaluation. Remember, treat your nails right, shine bright. This has been an enlightening discussion about various nail disorders and diseases, also their treatments. Thank you to our experts for sharing their knowledge, and to our guests for their personal stories. Again, this is Hans Governente.